You can't switch off Karoo for a weekend to migrate everything at once. The stores are open 7 days a week, and the board wants results, not a 2-year silence followed by a big reveal. Phases E and F are where the target architecture from the last 4 episodes turns into a roadmap. Not one leap, but a sequence of transition architectures, each one a working system in its own right that gets a little closer to the target. Break the work into work packages, chunks small enough to plan, and stuff big enough to actually deliver something real. Migrating the customer record isn't one work package, it's several. Build the shared record, migrate point of sale onto it, migrate e-commerce, migrate loyalty, retire the old copies. Each package has a clear start, a clear done, and a clear owner. Nobody signs up for modernize the data layer. They sign up for move point of sale onto the shared customer record. Between where Karoo is today and the target sits a series of transition architectures, and each one has to work on its own as a real system, not a half-finished mess. Transition 1. The shared customer record exists, and point of sale reads from it, but e-commerce and loyalty still hold their own copies, synced nightly as a stopgap. Transition 2. E-commerce reads from the shared record too, and the nightly sync only covers loyalty. Transition 3. The target. All 3 read from one record, nothing left to sync. 3 working states, not one big jump. The order isn't arbitrary. Point of sale migrates first because it's the highest volume system, and proves the shared record can handle real load before anything riskier depends on it. E-commerce migrates second because it's the seam that's currently broken from episode 3, so fixing it delivers value on its own. Loyalty migrates last because it's the lowest risk if something goes wrong. A stale loyalty balance is an inconvenience, not an order that fails at the till. Sequence by risk and dependency, not by whichever team asks loudest. Not every package is foundational, and that's fine. Some deliver a quick win the board can see immediately. Real-time stock visibility on the app, say, as soon as e-commerce migrates. Others are pure foundation, invisible to a customer, essential to everything after them. A good roadmap names both kinds honestly, instead of promising every package will feel like a win, because some of the most important work is the part nobody outside the team will ever notice. Next episode, Phase G, Implementation Governance, and the review process that has to actually help delivery teams ship, instead of becoming the place projects go to die. See you there.